Welcome viewer, this video tutorial describes, laptop won't shut down, fix it fast on Windows 11, 10. First method is disable fast startup. Second method is turn off hibernation. Third method is Windows Update. I hope this tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.